Hi, my name's Emily. I work within the Resort Accommodation Department here at Butlins in Bognor Regis. Today I'm going to show you how to make a towel elephant. So to begin with, you're going to need a large bath sheet and a small hand towel. So we'll start off with the large bath sheet. You'll need to lay it flat on the bed, make sure there's no creases, and start off either end and get both sides to meet in the middle. You want a small little gap just running through the middle, and again the same this side and this side. Again, small gap running through the middle. This will make sure your elephant's legs stand up nice and straight. Okay, we're going to roll 3 times, again either end. So count 1, 2, 3. Now you've got the legs straight, we're going to fold in half. So give the legs a good push and then lift up. Next, grab your hand towel or smaller bath sheet and we're going to make the trunk. So, underneath your chin, nice tight rolling. The tighter you can get it, the better your trunk will be. So make sure it's nice and taut. When you've got it looking like a bit like a carrot, lift the 2 ears out and start rolling the trunk. So again, from the bottom, roll nice and tight. The tighter you can get it, the more secure it will stay. At the top, lift over the small flap and this will make your elephant's head. Place in the middle of the legs and there we have Nelly the elephant.